Let's learn the shapes. Meet the 2D shapes and find them in everywhere. This is triangle. Triangle. It has 3 sides. It's like a watermelon slice. It's like a head. Wow. Oh, it's like an ice cream cone. Wow. Yeah, this is square. It has 4 sides. They are all the same. Wow, it's like a present. Oh, it's like a cracker. Cracker. Square. Cracker. It's like a window. Square window. This is circle. Circle. It's rolled round and round. Wow. Circle. It's like a ball. It's also like a sun. Wow. Circle. Sun. Ooh, it's like an orange. Orange circle. This is rectangle. It looks like a book. Oh, it's like a door. Door is in rectangle shape. Door, rectangle. Oh, wow! Building is in rectangle shape. This is pentagon. Pentagon. It has 5 sides. Hey, it's like a house. It's like a circus tent. Circus tent. Pentagon, carousel. It's like a carousel. This is hexagon. Hexagon. It has 6 sides. 6 sides. Wow, it's like a honeycomb. Honeycomb. It's like a snowflake. Snowflake. It's like a nut. Nut. Now look around. What shapes can you find?